Welcome to part 3. We are going to make the cat, Robert, say something. Now, if you look to the top left corner, you will see that there is a button called Looks, and it is in purple. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag the jigsaw that says Say Hello. If we put it here, and we click on it, let's see what happens. So the cat will say hello. Now, what I'd like to try, I want to make it so that every time we press a certain button, maybe right, left, up, or down, he will say something different. Now, this is what we do. We get the jigsaw piece that says say hello, and we combine it to each one of these, like this. So I'm just going to put that there. Now, at the moment, he's always going to say the same thing, because every time we press an arrow, he's always going to say hello. So, if we want to make him say something else, we just go into this text box and we just change the word. So I'm just going to put in some things like this is good, so much fun, silly, 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 like this. Now let's try. So, up, so much fun, silly, 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 this is good, hello. So that's pretty easy. If you want to change something, maybe you don't want to have this piece, you don't like this piece, you can take it off like this, and you can delete it. Or, you can take it off and just put it there, and then it's gone. If you want to move the things around, you just take it off from here, you can put it there, like this. And you can have other things, like for example, if you don't want a speech bubble, maybe you want a think bubble. Alright, let's have a look. Notice how it looks like a thought bubble? So he's thinking about this. So much fun. I am thinking. Silly, silly, silly. Now, with the speech bubbles, we've just done it with Robert, but what about the smiley face? Well, what I'll do is I'm going to put the smiley face up in the sky, and I'm going to click the smiley like this. Now, you'll notice when I click the smiley, you'll see that there are no scripts. So these are the scripts. This is the programming for Smiley. This is the programming for Robert. And this is the programming for John. So every character has their own set of programs. Their own set of scripts, more like. Okay, anyway, let's have a look at this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it so when I click him, he will say something. So this is what I do. I go to Control, I find the jigsaw piece that says when Smiley clicked, I put it here. Okay? So when Smiley clicked, I go to Looks, I'm going to make him say hello, but I'm not going to make it for 2 seconds, I'm going to make it for 4 seconds. He's not going to say hello, he's going to say something else. So my name is Smiley, like this. Now let's try. So, when I click him, he says, my name is Smiley, so you wait 4 seconds, and then it's gone. Great, check in for the next part. Thank you.